Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today is a very special one. I always say that in all my videos, but this one is, believe me, you need to watch it till the end so you can see what I'm talking about. Today's video is gonna be an unboxing, a very special unboxing. I'm gonna be showing you the market partner package. So what I'm talking about, keep watching so you can see. Let's jump into the video. So as you can see here, I have a box, quite heavy. It doesn't say anything, so it doesn't give anything away about what is in the box, but we're gonna see it together. I'm really excited to show you guys what I have in here and have a little bit of a chit chat and talk about what is all this about. So as I'm opening the box, I'm gonna start talking about the real thing. I'm gonna try not to cut myself because every time I try to open a box, I'm so scared I'm gonna damage what is in the inside or just damage myself. Damage me. So, I don't know if you have heard about Monat. It's a hair care and skincare company that is 100% vegan, is cruelty free, so they don't test their products on little innocent animals. That thing I love really much. It's very important to me. The other thing, they have no silicones, no parabens, and not a lot of different stuff. I'm gonna try to put a list right here, all the stuff they don't have in the product. So it's a really natural based company, hair care and skincare. They just launched their skincare, so they're new on it and they're taking little bit more products, but they really specialize for hair. They've been doing that for 5 years. But it's not a regular company as Tarte or I don't know, Olaplex, that you can just go and buy in any store. It doesn't work like that. It's a little bit more personalized. What I'm referring to that is when you go to your hairdresser, they're hair specialists, so they know exactly what to recommend you, and they always have their special products. Like, you know, when you go to your hairdresser, you find products that you cannot buy in drugstore or at Sephora or Ulta, because they have professional hair care. It needs to be recommended by a professional before you can put in your hair, because they have different types and you need to know what product to put on your hair. It's not just any products. So this is the same thing. They're professional products. So how this works, you have a person that is your mentor, is your hair specialist. You can fill out a quiz online through their website, and after you finish your quiz, she can or he can review the results, and based on that, what you answer, and you can also send pictures of your hair. What is your concern? Do you have dry hair, chemically damaged hair, bleached hair? What do you have and what do you want to achieve? Also the same thing for your skincare. That person is gonna help you, and seeing your pictures and seeing your question is gonna really recommend you what you need on your hair. So it's kind of a mentor or like going to your hairdresser, but on distance. So you can shop online through their website. Mine is just gonna link down below. The person is gonna fill out the order on your name, and you're gonna receive the products in your door as you will ordering on Sephora or Ulta or any website. So that's the way it works. It's a little bit more in detail, but this is a resume of what this is. I just recently become part of the company, so this is my intro package. What this is all the basic products that they're really good sellers, so I can have them home, I can try them, I can really see the result on myself. It's just gonna be easier to explain to a client what the products are when you already try them, so it's just easier. So this is the package that comes when you do your inscriptions. You're now asking to yourself, like, wow, what is that? Like, how do you get paid? There's so many questions, guys. Like, I will spend 2 hours right here trying to explain you everything, but if you do have questions more in detail about what is the company, how can you be part of it, how do you get paid, all of that, I will be so glad to do a video, but I will need to know if you're interested to see it. So I just don't want to go into details that much. And if you have questions, you're gonna also reach out to me on Instagram, on Facebook, and right here in the comments If you have questions and you be part of it and you want to be in my team, it's gonna be a pleasure. When you be part of this company, you can become a coach on sales, coach on hair, and I am a graduated esthetician for the skincare. So I do have my own clinic and I know a lot about skincare. So, and my mom, she's a hairdresser. So this is a perfect combination of both words I love, and I also love a lot social media. As you know, I'm trying to make my space around here on YouTube, and I'm trying to make my space also on Instagram. So this is a mix between being self-employed, love and be passionate about hair and skincare, and you wanted to be an influencer and work from home, do your own schedule, have trainings one-on-one with me, and I can teach you everything from A to Z. What do I know about the company, and what do I know about sales, and what do I know about skincare and hair. So if you want to be part of my company, I will be glad to helping you through that whole process, and just reach out to me. But for now, let's jump into the real thing. This is a opening an unboxing, so I just don't want to talk here all night without showing you actually what is in the box. So I'm just gonna go and show you, if you decide to be part of the company, what is gonna be on your box and what you're gonna receive. So first, let's remove all that. And the first thing you receive is, as all companies, when you start a new job, they send you training material. I already started doing my own training because they also have the app that you can have on your phone. They have the website, so I went through all this already, but on my computer. But they also send it to you, really professional booklet. You have inside of this all that you need to know. Oh my god, it fell. But these are the little booklets it comes with that you can share with your friends, family, and also you can know what the company is. But I do already have that on my cell phone and on the computer. But if someone asks you what is that and how can become, and you're in person or you're doing a meeting with for recruiting, then you can give that. Is a lot more professional than just showing on your phone. So that's why they send you this material. I'm actually like shaking because I'm so excited to see the products that I have inside. So they also send you this cute pouch. Inside of here you can find all the testers, all the small skincare tester, because like I told you, they open a new line on skincare, and it didn't come in the package. I took all the skincare because I wanted to try the hair first. So there you go. This is all the skincare testers that it comes in this cute pouch right here, so you can start there's different packages. You can go with different prices. I started with the smaller one. Why this one doesn't have the whole skincare collection, it doesn't have the whole hair collection either, but it's good enough for the price. It's really good. I got more than a 30% discount over the regular price, so this is amazing. It comes also with this small resumes of what the products are for the skincare. These all new products. So in the back you have what is the key active, the ingredients, and how do you use it. So in the back is a little card, so it's easier to just give to someone when they ask you questions about the product. You can give that, or a tester. And it comes with all the booklets. Now let's jump into the actual thing. So if you can see, starting with the box is all from recycled material, so that's pretty great. And it says Monat here, and in the back, just cute. So there's boxes. I have two inside of the box. Okay, I don't know which one start. Let's just open one to see what is inside of here. Inside the first smaller box, inside the other box, it comes with the Champ Conditioning Dry Shampoo. It comes with Rejuvenate, is an oil. This dry shampoo is not flammable, so you can actually spray it on top of a candle. It's not gonna part in flames. If I'm gonna do maybe another video reviewing more in details each product and what our day for, but this is helps to refresh hair, absorb oil, condition, and add volume without the need of water. So it's just to extend the period of time that you wash between the washes. It comes also with the blowout cream. This is gonna make your hair look like you just did a blowout on the salon, but without getting to the salon. So this comes with that too. See what I have in the other one. It comes with the Voluminizing Revive shampoo. As you can see, I have very thin hair, so this is really good for my type of hair. So it's gonna give, is for fine, flat, and wimpy hair. It also comes with the Rejuvenate oil on it, so the volumizing conditioner. So this one is also for fine, flat hair like I have. After you put your shampoo, then you gently squeeze the excess water. You apply that from here to the ends, never on your scalp. You don't need to revitalize your scalp, so from here to the ends, you let it. I actually prefer to leave it there 2-3 minutes as well, and then rinse it off. This is also on the box, is the split end mender. This actually is crazy, okay? This is like a serum you put on really on the ends of your hair. It's gonna like repair the split ends. This is like crazy, but it's so good. So it comes also in the package. And lastly, but this is what I'm being more excited about, is Rejuvenate oil that comes with this. So this is how the little box is. Oh my god, I'm being so excited to try this, like you cannot even understand. So this is the package of the Rejuvenate oil. It is like that. So this has more than 101 usage for it. It's not only to repair your hair, you can use it on your face, on your skin, to treat eczema, to treat acne, for so many things. So this is a holy grail. I was so excited to receive it and try it. As you can see here, I have 6 products that comes in the package, plus all of the booklets and training that you need for. So all of that, like, that's a lot of products. You can have it such a good price. Before we forget, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do. Hit that notification bell. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget, if you have any more questions or any questions at all about all this, please contact me. I will be glad to help you with that. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time.